Chat, are we getting going? Let me know in the chat if you're showing up, if this is working. Let me know. Go check it out. Fortunes. Hello. Alright, you guys can hear me, cool. What up? How you guys all doing? How are all you guys doing? Yes, sir, put some ones in the chat. Let me know if you're here. Ones in the chat. Give me a second while I send out the links. Let me know in the chat if you guys are in any trades or what you're looking at. Fuck, I'm gonna put in my Nightbot too. Why not? Give me a second. I hope you guys are all doing amazing. Gold shorts, GJ longs. Nice. Let's check it out. I was kind of like GJ longs, but it's just in this. It's in the supply. I just don't know. You know? You feel me, son? How are you, bro? I'm doing good. Once again, I appreciate all you guys for being here. Let me pop out the chat, get you guys right here. And then we're gonna get going. You guys are all the best. Appreciate your support. I'll post on my Instagram, and then we're gonna get going. Open up my trading view. And we can get going. Okay, someone in the chat, you guys want music or no music? I might put like a little like really like quiet lo-fi. You know what I'm saying? Really quiet lo-fi, what do you guys think? Ready to tear the system? Ready to tear it up? Guys, once again, I'm undefeated so far on live streams. I haven't caught a loss in like 2 weeks, not gonna lie. Can't cap. Second, post on my story. Getting everyone here. You guys locked in? You in this trade? We got James Storms in the building. Appreciate you for coming through, bro. No, I'm looking at this little demand level. If we look left, it actually already got respected. It's a 15-minute little demand on GU. So I wanted to possibly come and take out this low right here, sweep some liquidity, get in some more sellers, and potentially go back in. It's similar to the trade I took yesterday on EU. But the only thing is that we obviously have kind of shifted bearish. So I honestly haven't really done a full I don't like trading against the dollar right now, but pound has been relatively strong. Let's look over. Yeah, I guess that is true. Because the DXY has been super bullish. There's been no signs of any type of like bearish momentum. If you look left, this is like a mini type of supply. I want to like go up and possibly test this last level that it broke out of, which obviously we still have ways to go. So if the DXY does pull up to that, you know, up here at 102.285, then it's obviously going to send GU down and EU down. So I have these supplies marked up as well, though, as you can see here. Then on EU, I need to clean this up once again, guys. My charts are still dirty from last night. I started looking at my, the charts at like 10 p.m. my time about an hour ago. And then started doing my analysis heading into like the session. I get on with you guys at like 11, then I obviously start taking my trades closer to London Open. Last night we took a trade. I was either 10:55 or like 11:55 right before London, but it was a banger. It was super exciting. Let me take out this because this obviously got manipulated. So we did have this break of structure, little supply sitting here that we're sitting in. But in my opinion, like a lot of you guys have trouble picking like what supplies, what demands to kind of take. So for this, for instance, it could easily just like come up, kind of reject here, get you guys in the position, break the 5-minute low, then just make a higher low to continue up and potentially stop you out. So I always wait for a confirmation for especially a low probability setup right here. I'm still going to let's on my start real quick. Still on my start. Oh, my alert just went off on gold. Anyone here trading gold? What do you guys think on gold? Anyone in the chat trading gold? Let me know. Chat. No one's trading gold, really? No one here's trading gold? You guys are usually gold fiends. What's happening? Belief for the weekend? You guys dropped gold? Gold is crushed 1940. I'm done. Oh, yeah, you said you were in cells. Good shit. Tony Gold. There we go. Killing it, sir. I love seeing all the chat members. Tony Gold, you've been a day one too, so always love seeing you killing it, brother. I hope to see you back at the group. You're a VIP. You're killing it. Sorry guys, getting stuff set up, and then we're gonna get right into it. I'll break down some pairs. We'll get right into it. If I sound good and you guys are excited for the giveaway, put some ones in the chat. Ones in the chat. Ones in the chat. Okay, I sound good. Okay, checking one last year on my phone. I sound good. Sound perfecto. You guys are ready for me. Let's get after it. So James made a really good point once again, guys. Trading against the dollar. What does that mean? The dollar is not relatively. It is very bullish at the moment. We go back over the DXY. You can clearly see ever since FOMC last week. We have NFP this week, but ever since FOMC, we've been this huge bull, market. So for us to be looking for buys on GU and EU means obviously that we would be looking for shorts on the DXY, which what he was just pointing out that it's hard to kind of pick a top. You know what I'm saying? You know how people tell you like, oh, supply and demand traders trying to pick tops. Like, yeah, you don't want to pick tops. You want to follow the overall trend. So very good point. Let's go over the DXY, or not the DXY, gold, because I did just get an alert on gold, which was heading into this demand zone. So once again, when it comes to gold should be inverse correlated to the dollar. As you can see, XAU/USD, that basically means you should be working vice versa. It obviously depends on the night, because sometimes gold and the DXY do not be correlating that well. But relatively, like we just talked about, the gold has been dumping right here, as you can see, and the DXY has been flying up. I had this alert set up because obviously there's like a smaller time frame, a little 15-minute demand here that we're tapping into, but I'm overall looking for some type of pullback to then further sells. Just mark up these levels. Oh, I forgot to send a Zoom link. Let me send Zoom link. My bad, my bad, my bad. Let me know in the chat if you're in any trade. I always love like analyzing the stuff that you guys get into, so let me know. Now, Tony Gold, you said that you were in GJ cells. Oh no, who else we rocking with? Bro, I've been hearing noises lately. You guys ever just get that? You guys ever just be getting fucking some noises and your shit? You're like, what the fuck? Swear to God. Luckily, I'm on live stream though, so if anything happened, you guys would know. I think that's happened, right? I think stuff's gone down on like a live stream. Yes, no, maybe so. AUD CAD cells and EU cells. AUD CAD cells and EU cells. Let's go to EU. Perfect, bro. Yeah, you're reacting at that level. Like I said, I would want like a little bit of like an M to kind of form in that area. Pull up the DXY over here. Five minute. So I would want some type of like bearish breakish structure. Like get this low formed and then have it like re-break that low. Like, you know, pretend like support's formed here. Comes back up, breaks those lows, and then retaps. Waiting for the extra confirmation. Close everything I'm out for the day. Good shit, Tony Gold. That's what it's all about, bro. Gain your profits and saying peace. Peace. I'm taking the night off. Great, bro. Great. It's awesome. I'm gonna look up Drake Lo-Fi. My desktop audio. Yeah. Cool. We're chill. No Limit Gang. Yes, sir. Thanks, Ryla. Appreciate your support. Thanks for being back here. Make sure you guys all stay tuned. We obviously will be doing the 25K giveaway. Dude, I had someone in my free signals today say fake giveaway. I was like, bro, we do it every single, like, we do it live. You know what I'm saying? Like, there's plenty of people in the chat who have won. Like, did you guys win rigged? Like, come on. That shit kind of pissed me off. I was like, come on, now people are going to think it's fake just because you said that when shit's real. But we will be doing more giveaways today. So make sure you guys stay tuned. What other prop firm is doing that for you guys? Free live stream, or yeah, free live streams every single day, every session. And then also 25K account giveaways. So crazy. So our Fortunes is different. USD CAD starting to form a low to continue up possibly. AU sell supply above minor. Wait, AU sell supply above minor high. What do you think, bro? Is it on AU? Where is my AU? What the heck? Probably down here. Rwanda? Yeah, cool. All right, AU supply above 5 minute. Yeah, right here. Clean. Why does this make this less probable? Fair value gap already got filled. You see with this wick that it came up and filled 50% of this imbalance. So therefore this fair value gap got filled to then continue to sell. So to me, it's just a lower probability setup, but it still is probable. And I'll set an alert. I'll set an alert right here. Know what I'm saying? LOL, AUD CAD targets, bro. I believe it's a real giveaway. Yeah, I mean, it's whoever wins tonight. Go ask them if they won by, you know, go ask if they won by whatever. Getting rigged. Hey guys. Hey Ben Momo. How are you? Maybe that only you. Can you guys hear any of that music or no? I can't play music like that loud, but I have like some lo-fi Drake popping off a little bit. Will you be looking for shorts on EU, GU, and AU since the DXY strong bullish momentum have finished? Yes. But is it done with the pullback? That's the question we're asking. But yes, that's one thing that James kind of popped in and said is that the dollar trading against the dollar is not the smartest right now because it's super bullish. So looking for supplies on EU and GU is key. We can see on the DXY right here on the 5 minute that we you know, had that breakdown. Gold is still going. Hey Luca, where's my checking account on Thursday? You got it, bro. I told you. We talked in the DMs that I had someone show me the proof that they had that same email and manage videos. There's no way. Yo, Luca, how you doing? I'm doing well, bro. Thanks for asking. It's actually wild. Never had that happen before. Someone won it. Gotta pay attention more next time. Bro, I literally showed you, or I don't know if I sent you a screenshot of it, but I literally have someone that sent me the exact same email and everything. Their email is literally insane for me at gmail.com. So, like, you can cry about it all you want, but it literally shows you it. Guess people will go the extra mile. No one said if you could hear the music. Can you guys hear it at all? Or no? GU's finding that support. GG, what up? EU. One kind of down, fair value gap to fill up. No, we can't hear the music. Well, here, a little bit. So is this a change of character for me on G? Let's talk about it, guys. Yo, what up, cantaloupes? I like that name. Dang, good entry, you guys. Look at this. Look at the 1 minute. Look at this 1 minute supply sitting right here. Fair value gap sitting above, which makes it less probability. But you can see here that we had the minor break of structure downside. Now we're actually taking out this high to tap into this one. We had the reaction, so definitely something to keep an eye on. We go to the 5 minute. It's just forming that kind of lower high structure to potentially come down. You have any type of like trend line? Break, retest, break. I mean, sure, downtrend. Look, what's your gold breakdown? I think just further shorts, you know, because we've sold off so hard, I do think a pullback is probable. But I mean, I just wouldn't want it. It's the same thing we were talking about with the DXY. Like the DXY is overall bullish. Does that not mean it can pull back bearish a little bit? No, like that's total probable. But it's like, because it's more likely that it's going to continue bullish, trying to take buys on like EU and GU is just short term. Where at that point, you know, you got to have a real tight type of like exit strategy. And you got to know when to get out. Because if you're just taking a buy at like a short-term demand into like a higher time frame supply, and you're not going break even or whatever, and you're just getting absolutely drenched, like it ain't gonna help you. I'll tell you that. Jay Shreen Rum. I don't know what that is, but yes, sir, brother. What you said. These are all older supplies. I can get rid of those. Jai Shrimp Rum. What does that mean? Jai Shrimp Rum. Sri Ram is our god. Oh, awesome. Jai Shrimp Rum. So does Jai Shrimp Ram mean like hail our god or something, you know? Do you use multiple funded accounts? Yes, I do use multiple funded accounts. Last night I had one. I had an account that was what's it called? Like more towards kind of break even, and I was willing to get a little risky on it. And I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram and saw my story of me in all those positions with Ollie on FaceTime. That shit was hella fun. But I ended up banking out. I called a fire trade last night, guys, on EU. It was right here. That's why this is here, guys. I called this trade last night to my VIP group. Beautiful trade, but it was a 1 to 7. Just clear 15-minute demand, big order block. It kind of come down on the lower time frames, formed the perfect kind of entry for me. My entry kind of confirmation right here on this break. On the 1 minute, you'll see also that it was like forming this like little wedge. I took out the break. Actually, I kind of scaled in. I got in up here, kind of went down, 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 scaled in at the bottom, and then it was just a rocket. Absolute rocket. So shout out Ollie Trades. Me and Ollie caught that last night on FaceTime. I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram. I posted it, posted my live account, posted all the positions I was in. I wonder if I could pull it up. Enter a 6-digit code generated by what the fuck? No way. There's no way they're asking for that. Hey, make sure you guys take a picture, tag me on Instagram, and comment something. Maybe tonight. Actually, I'm gonna do a poll in a second because we're gonna do the giveaway. We're gonna do the 25K giveaway. I'm gonna do another poll asking you guys if you guys want 2 10Ks, a 5K, or a 25K giveaway. How you guys feeling tonight? You guys feeling like sharing? Are you thinking one for the? You guys let me know. 25K account or 2. I put the poll up in the chat. You guys let me know what you guys are thinking about the account giveaway. If you guys are rocking with a 25K account or 2 10Ks and a 5K, you guys let me know what you guys are feeling for tonight. Once again, all we ask is for you guys to like, tag us on Instagram. If you guys do take a picture of the live stream, tag B, tag Fortunes Funding. Purchase a Fortune Funding Challenge. Join the Discord in the description. Follow me on Instagram. All that good stuff. We're here going live trades. And like I said, I haven't lost on live stream yet. I've only been dubbed, so not to jinx myself, but just facts. Yeah, what's good? Just pulled up. What's up, Alfonso? Thanks for being here, bro. Appreciate you. Let's go, Afro. I appreciate your guys' support. I love seeing kind of the similar faces in the chat. We gotta form an army. You guys are all like my little army. I love my little community. On the live streams, you know, if any of you guys need anything, all you have to do is you know, all you have to do is reach out to me. I'm willing to help any of you guys with literally anything. You going back up? Yeah, we're not in. You know, we understand there's a higher supply kit for Trace too, so we're waiting for it as of now. Anybody then would be life changing. Sheesh. Any of them would be life changing. Yeah, bro. Any of the count? Yeah, they counter for anyone. If you win, or if you're here for the giveaway, you're already entered in. So they account for anyone. Once again, guys, a random person wins. No rig, no anything. Epic setup. Thank you, bro. You can't even really see it. I have a bunch of cool monitors here. And then my setup, my lights back there, flag, no limit trading flag. Gee shit. I just woke up today with my, what up, Sean? How you doing, bro? How you guys all doing? Hey, what up, Juan? How you doing, bro? Yo, what's up, bro? I'm doing well. How's your day? You work hard? Study hard? Doing well? Or study in school? I forget. Muhammad said, how many recommendations a day do you download, brother? What is that? What is a recommendation, Muhammad? How many recommendations a day do you download? I don't know what that means. Chilling, LOL, tired as a bit of ready for this line session. Yes, sir, Sean. Just got off, and yes, school started back up in August. Fire, bro. Killing it on the grind. And becoming a full-time trader. That's awesome, bro. How to win? All you have to do is be here. All you have to do is be ready to be. Muhammad Al-Budi. I don't know what recommendations a day do you download. I don't know what that means. GJ's starting to kind of respect that supply, head down. JPY basket's fine, you know, really finding this supply. Gold hasn't broke a low yet, yeah. First waiting as of now. What's gold doing? Put over to gold. Gold kind of just broke that low. Yeah, it took liquidity under this demand. I'm not looking for any buys on it as of now, but I think we're gonna get some type of you know what I'm saying? No idea how it's gonna react from this level to go up. Signal slash day, how many in a day? Like 1 to 2. 1 to 2. Telling you there's no need for more. One big thing, I don't know if you guys watched that new podcast with Raja and Words of Wisdom, but he talks to, once again, he drills it 1 to 2 trades a day. If you guys are taking more than 2 to 3 trades, like that's obviously why your win rate is a little down. I'm telling you, less is more. You just gotta find the higher probability setups. Like last night, you know, I only took 1 trade yesterday. But it was a 1 to 7. Banked on it. Sean, what are you looking for tonight? That podcast is funny. Raja Loki funny. Yeah, Raja is funny. It was a good podcast. I really did like it. James, I don't know if you're watching James Storms. When is that podcast you and TJR trades come out? It's pretty cool. I want to watch it. Make sure you guys like the stream. Post it on their Instagram. Tag me in Fortunes Funding. How many people do we have watching right now? 41. How many likes do we have? Only 17 likes. Make sure you guys like the stream. Let's get to at least 30 to 50 likes. Even 40. Let's just even aim for 40. There's 41 of you guys here. If everyone likes it, there should be 41 likes. I'm not a math genius, but I'm pretty sure that adds up. Completely free. If I call another winning trade, then it definitely deserves a like. No doubt. We know. And if you guys have any questions about me, strategy, pairs, trading questions, all you have to do is ask in the chat. Willing to answer for you guys. Kind of just chilling right now, waiting for this retracement back up on GU. EU definitely broke structure. We're not tapping back into that supply, breaking it back above that previous high. I guess we could. Actually, no, it's already got manipulated, but just look like on the 5 minute. I guess you have this one right here with the low behind it, or value gap. So you guys can see here that not only do we have a high to take out with these highs, we have a fair value gap sitting right there. Dang, 25k account, 60% have voted for the 25k, only 40 for the multiple ones. What are your confirmations? So my confirmations consist of higher time frame bias, lower time frame like a candle structure, breaker structure, liquidity be taken out. I look for a higher low to be taken out before it's kind of tapping in. I need to take my entry once it closes below the ASMA. It needs to be a fair value gap sitting above or below the zone, depending on if it's, you know, liquid buys or sells. A nice gold buy, nice Alfonso. What are your confirmations? Hey Luca, how do you take partials at 1 RR, 2 RR, 3 RR, and so forth? So I base my risk reward on market structure and supply and demand zones and order blocks. So if I take like a lower, you know, demand, if I'm heading up to like a 15-minute supply and I'm at like a 1 to 2, I'll definitely be looking to maybe close some partials there, because I know that we're likely to get a reaction. I don't like leaving like money on the table. I don't like if it goes to 1 to like 2.5 and comes all the way back to break even. Like I would rather just take partials there, let the rest run. So you know what I'm saying? It's just I try and tell people that risk, you know, risk reward is key and focus on the percents, but just because you're up a certain amount doesn't mean you have to close it all. If structure's still there, hold to the next level that you might get a reaction off of. Don't just like close because you're getting scared and you're up enough. Like actually you know, actually make sure that there's a reasoning behind why you're closing the trade. How's your prop firm experience? Prop firms have been amazing, you know. Prop firms like Fortunes Funding has made it so people who didn't have a lot of capital, like it makes it so that they're allowed to go and get capital, you know what I'm saying? Like I feel like there's so many people out there that are skilled, know how to trade, but I don't know, they don't have that low capital. So the low capital they do put in, they risk a lot on it, which once again, you go on like a dry streak, you can lose it all, which is not the best. And then you feel bad and you don't want to trade anymore. Hold on. Oh, stuff. Luke, who is your mentor? Like, I mean, I took a lot of things from a couple people, but it's hard to like pinpoint a mentor because I wasn't someone who like bought courses. I didn't buy like boot camps and that type of stuff because I wasn't aware of it. That's why like a lot of people have asked me, oh Luca, why do you do what you do? Why do you live stream? Why are you a trading influencer? You know, all that type of stuff. The reasoning is I know how it is, like how lonely it is to be on the journey. Like nowadays with like live streams, with Zooms, like live classes, like that wasn't around when I first started trading. I only had YouTube videos already recorded and myself in my dorm room just figuring it out, you know what I'm saying? And then yeah, that's kind of it. So I really like coming on here and like teaching you guys and being like a mentor to a lot of you as much as I can. So like I said, I didn't really have like a specific one. Daniel Savage was honestly a big person that kind of changed a lot of my habits in trading and helped me out. Dr. Dollars, obviously one of my close friends that has taught me a lot when it comes to just life and trading and all that type of stuff. I mean, I look up to James. You know, James is a huge mentor. I don't know if you guys noticed. You guys look at my chart colors. These are the same chart colors James uses and that he's used for a while. And I literally copied him when I was in college. I went on one of his live Zoom sessions he had, and he did a whole breakdown. And I really fucked with him, and I loved like the way he talked. I loved like what the message that he like spoke to everyone, and I ended up just really rocking with him. And I changed my colors to that, and then now it's like a superstitious thing. You know what I'm saying? Like now I don't want to change the colors because I've been profitable for years now and don't want to change the colors because I think it'll fuck with my psychology. That's like I'm gonna be rocking with these colors for a minute. You know what I'm saying? I sold 80 CAD yesterday. Good job, Akash. 25k, 25k. Yes, sir. 20 gold. Is it possible for you to break down a trade you took recently? Yes, I can totally break down a trade I took yesterday. Yo, what's up, hello teacher? Thanks for being here, my man. No limit officially all day. Yes, sir. 20 gold. So this is the most recent trade that I took yesterday. And we can break this one down. We can go and look at like maybe like a higher probability one. Show you guys a good example. This was within a range, so I'm gonna break that one down. But I guess we can break down the trade from last night. The only thing I didn't like about it was that the market's moving sideways, and usually I only like to take it with like the 200 MA, and we were below it, so I was gonna pick another one, but we're gonna break down anyways. Yo, we got Sir Hans Felix in the building. What's up, brother? Super good to have you here. If you guys have not gone and checked out Hans's live streams during the New York session, go and check him out. So much energy, so much sauce drop nonstop. So make sure you guys go and check out his live streams and his channel and everything. Go follow him on Instagram. Hans is the man. Yo, what's up, Alex Cole, buddy boy? What up, Hottie? How you doing? Yo, Luca, what's good? Yo, Quenzi, how are you, sir? Thank you for being here. You guys are all the goats. I appreciate you guys all individually for coming and showing love. So someone asked me to break down this trade. So this was the trade we took last night. It was a nice 1 to 7 called out on EU. We can go to the 4 hour. We go to the 4 hour. Where are we at? My bad. Go to the 4 hour time frame. In my opinion, I wanted to take buys above, like, not to say I was anticipating, because you don't want to do like the I touch, I feel, but I anticipated a reaction off this level. We're going to like the 1 hour, but you'll see. Sorry, why is this not moving? All right, so when price has a big impulse like this, what usually happens, we have a nice kind of downtrend forming like a wedge to then have that impulse to kind of complete that W. A lot of people have been trading with me for a while knows I like taking quote unquote W's and M's. In my opinion, a W or M is just a double top or a double bottom. It's just that extra confirmation. But if we keep dropping down time frames, you can see on the 30-minute, after we kind of swept liquidity in this area, I looked left and saw that we were sitting in a 30-minute demand. So this 30-minute demand, this last bearish candle that led to this big break of structure, we had this nice wedge. If I just draw it up, we had this nice wedge formed kind of just in this downtrend, and then we found support or demand. You know, I call it demand. So we found demand. We found an entry like kind of candle sequence on the 5 minutes. If you go to the 5 minute, you'll see it closed below here. Like we kind of reacted off here, closed below, had a closure back above this candle body. So once I saw that we kind of came, swept liquidity, and then closed the candle body back above this kind of high, I was like, you know what, if we come down and find support, I'll kind of get in off this W. So you guys can see it kind of form this W. It had this downtrend as well as had this like miniature uptrend that was like, you know, kind of respecting. If I go to the 1 minute, honestly, it looks really clean, but I don't want to, it's going to like jump back in time. You guys will lose the place. But after this impulse, I tried to get in right here, but the spreads got me in right above here. And then, you know, I mean, bada bing, bada boom. As you can see, we obviously just ran. It was just, you know, following structure. We had kind of been in this, you know, impulse, pullback, impulse, and then we just drew up the 30-minute demand that led to the impulse, and then found a 5-minute entry within it to just catch this miniature move. I didn't know if we were going to come test highs, break highs. But as you can see, we came up just to kind of respect the highs, then continue the downtrend. Because if you go back to the hourly, look at the hourly, we still are in this downtrend. But I told you guys, you know, with all these highs and where this high was, you know, brought up, there's a high probability that like we can kind of come, this is the low, kind of move sideways, and then somehow kind of come up and meet price up back up in this area somehow. So we're just kind of waiting. Right back at you, bro. Appreciate you, Sir Hans Felix. You only trade Euro USD? No, I just like it a lot. I trade GU a lot. You would think I only traded GU. But I call some bangers on EU. Last week we took 4 trades in VIP, all winners. One of them was a break even, but break even still a win, but it was on GU, EU, and GJ. Highs and lows. Whoa, somehow all I did was. So essentially use fair value gap / imbalances and wait for price to break structure on the 1 minute time frame to execute correctly. Not in that sequence, but yes, I use fair value gaps as a confluence. So like let's say that we had a supplier demand created and then it had a big impulse, or that, you know, that it like took liquidity, whatever, formed a supply demand, broke structure. If there's a fair value gap sitting above the demand that it created, it's a higher probability setup, in my opinion, because, you know, when it comes to supply and demand, you're looking for that reaction into the zone to then continue the impulse in the direction it was already heading. So when it has a fair value gap there, it's a higher probability because it's just filling that, taking the orders it needs to do just to continue the direction. Whereas, like, you know, if there's no zone, it's most likely continuing back down to sorry, someone hit me up. Where's Ollie? Where's Ollie Trades? Someone get Ollie Trades here. You also trade indices? No, I don't. I don't trade indices just because I trade London session, and London's always been kind of my session. And indices don't move as good here. There is like the DAX. You trade JR30, but I'm not too in tune with what's going on out there, and I don't really like trading pairs that I'm not really in tune with. That's why I don't know if you guys noticed, but all the pairs that I trade all kind of are in confluence with each other. I trade EU and GU. So like, I mean, AU, EU, and GU. So they all are obviously like in confluence with each other because they all have USD as the cross pair. And then, you know, AU and I mean, GU and EU move similarly as well, you know. But then USD CAD is an inverse correlated pair to GU. So I'm able to find entries on the USD CAD based upon like how well I trade GU and knowing how that moves as well. And then GJ, because GJ is always just a staple. I've traded it forever, so I just haven't deleted it. I'll here and there find like a good setup on it. And then gold, because I just like to get freaking absolutely cracked and trade gold here and there. Why not? Trade DAX? Yeah, maybe. USD CAD going to break highs. That means G is going down. Oh, wow. Look at this, guys. I didn't even notice that I have my alert not get set. Okay, I like that a lot, guys. Look at to the T how the supply. Wow. What the? Kidding. I just quickly swiped out of my alerts. As you guys can see, GU had a perfect pull up and reaction off of this supply where you'd want to get an entry as the break of the next 5-minute low, which is here, stop loss above right here. And as you can see, 1-to-1 hit already, but now because you missed the entry, we can look for a pullback up to that supply. I don't really like this trend line that's kind of formed. I'd want to kind of break the trend line, and then I want to like kind of break and then come up, and then have the move. Actually, I should send that out. So snippets of a Big G. You ever dropping a course, brother? Probably one day. Any sales on G, you're probably gonna find out. The Luca bundle. And I don't even want to like. It's not even like I want to drop a course because I've always been kind of anti-course. It's more of like I thought about it and I was like, I really like my strategy. I think I teach it really well. Like I know that like I don't go into it on too much detail with you guys on here, but anyone who's in a one-on-one with me walks out of it like, what the fuck? Like I thought I knew how to trade and then I freaking. And then you do a one-on-one with me and you're like, oh shit, I didn't know jack shit. I'm kidding. But like actually I've had that happen like multiple times. So they're like, what? It's such simple things that you might not have known. But that's the reason I kind of want to do a course, is that like there's gonna be a point where I don't want to do live streams. I don't want to do one-on-ones. I don't want to do teaching anymore. But I want my concepts and what I teach to still be out there for people to be able to grasp. So I think that's the only way to kind of do that is create like a course. Can you guys look at how like to the T this GU setup was? Kind of upset. I don't know if I would have gotten at the break of that candle low. That would have been savage as hell. But we're starting to get that breakage structure, so then a pullback after that is what I will be looking for. The show. LOL, let's get it, baby. Yes, sir. Make sure you guys like the stream once again, and we're not doing the giveaway unless we get to at least 40 likes. So make sure you guys like the stream. How many likes are here right now? Can someone tell me in the chat? Actually, I can look it up here. We have, I can't even see, 38 likes. You guys are already almost there. Goat of GU? Yeah. I actually am one of the goats of GU. Can't even lie. 41, cool. Smash the like button, family. Yes, sir. 25K account, guys. Come on. 70% have voted for the 25K account, so likely we will be doing that. We can either do the comment generator again, or we can do the thing that we did the last time where I pulled up the chat and just like randomly scrolled, and the person's name who popped up is the person who won. You guys can pick. Generator, do the roll. Generator, random scroll. Hey, that rhymed. Generator, do the roll. Generator, random scroll. You guys are rapping in the chat. You guys don't even know about it. Yes, random selection is good. Are you sponsored by Fortunes Funding, Luca? I mean, I wouldn't say sponsored. I'm part of the team, Fortunes Funding team. So yeah. Team Fortunes. Bitch. Only active people should be rewarded. Low-key facts, but I mean, I feel you, sir. My boy said he is the team. Oh, simple. It's simple, bro. I'm telling you. Generator. Oh, you guys want the generator? That's how you know it's like really random. But I would need you guys to go. I'll go comment on like a. I have to go like comment on like a video of mine. My bang J's on what? My titty bang is on Kylie. Give it to someone to post a link on their IG story. Low key facts. I like doing that when we do the multiple giveaways. When we do two 10Ks and a 5K, I usually will do like the last. I'll do one of the three as someone who tagged me on their story. You know. So I definitely appreciate the guys who do tag me on your story. But the more you guys DM me on like the story and you guys tag me, like if you tag me multiple times and then later there's a giveaway where like let's say someone didn't do it and I just pick someone else, like if I recognize your name, it's always just good, you know? Like I'm a person just like you guys. I'm willing to make connections, be friends. I got all your guys' back, you know. It costs $0 to show love. All you guys gotta do is just show love. You know what I'm saying? Okay, GU. The only thing is that you didn't really break structure to the downside. Let's go over it, guys, what I'm looking at, because I know a lot of you guys just see me draw shit on the freaking screen, don't know what I mean. But what I mean by like there's no break of structure to the downside is like, honestly, I could even draw it up here on like a blank to make it really make sense to you guys. So we obviously were in the overall like downtrend, correct? Right? Now we're tracing up into the supply that was created up in here, right? So this is where we're currently sitting, and this is currently where I was looking to take the supply setup from. Why I wanted that bearish break of structure is because on this whole move up on a lower time frame, it kind of looks like this. Right? So what do we need after this? Let's just go, or didn't mean to do that. Let's go up here. What we need after that is sometime move like this, where we do up, down, failure to break the high, and then break structure to the downside. Once that structure is broken, we can look for the retracement up into the supply created here. Oh, why is this going crazy? Whoa. I feel like I'm getting hacked. I don't know what's happening. But basically, all I'm trying to point out here is that you'll see in this how it's all higher highs, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. You go on to current chart, just reset. You go back down to the current chart, you can see that we're still in that kind of structure that I'm talking about higher highs, higher lows. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. And this is a higher high, and this is like a higher low because we didn't break any structure. So it's not showing us a possible market structure shift to then reject off of here. I'm just waiting. Let's go, Lennon. Yes, sir. Salva, how you doing, sir? Good to have you here. Good to have you here. Kevin Costner, you tweaking. Okay, and we just retested that supply on my broker. It's not really showing it on TradingView, but it hit it on my broker. Lennon just open too. What does this hourly look like? Calling people sir, making us feel old. No, Salva, the guy I talked to and I call sir, he's younger than I am. He's just a savage. I call him sir every day. You guys ain't gotta be old. You guys are all my people. Yo, yo, drinking mate, sir. Haha, yes, sir. It's fire. You're the man, Salva. So I hope the little breakdown I did for you guys kind of made sense, because this is a good kind of indication of it right here that you can see here that we're just higher highs, higher lows, going all the way back up. And now that we've broken this low is what I was talking about into the supply, breaking a low here, and now looking for a retracement to follow the leg down. So we're looking for this, tapping right here. You really go, sir. I'm on G cells. Oh, what? Wait, 1, 2, 8, 3, 3, 3. So you took the cells that we're talking about. Bro, he's so good. Salva, you're getting so good, sir. Salva is a young prodigy, everyone. VIP channel, no limit, extraordinaire. Just tell him, Salva. Tell him, sir. Yes, sir. Can't break you, sir, ever. GJ cells? Probably the GJ. Yeah, GJ looks bearish. So. Oh, wow. Look at you. Turning my magic keys on, guys. Possible trade. I just don't like when she fucking the DXY is doing that. How big is stop loss? Like 15 pips. I need like a little bit of a pullback. Oh. SMH. I'm not trying to chase this, so I need like some type of like mini pullback or something. Sorry, I'm not talking a lot, guys. I'm locking in. Lock-in time. Oh my god. Kill me. Holy shit, you. You's gone. believe which indicator those green boxes. The indicator is imbalance finder by Sonar Labs. It shows you imbalances and fair value gaps that pop up on your screen, and then once they get filled, they'll pop away. Are you trade off MetaTrader? Did you connect your broker? I'm trading off MetaTrader. I have it up on this monitor right here. Can you guys see my screen? Look at my camera. I guess it doesn't really matter, but right here. What do you guys think? I'm not even that mad about not being in the cells, because if we were in, we're just retracing right back up to entry. So it's like kind of trash, you know what I'm saying? Alright guys, you might just get in on this tap. What do you guys think? Being savage with it. Holy shit, that would have been such a sniper entry. No, guys, I keep fucking second guessing myself, but I mean, it's still so valid. Alright guys, I kind of want to get in and anticipate the 15-minute flip. What do you guys think? Let you guys know if I get in. I might get in at the break of this 1 minute low. Pull back a little bit so I can call this. Hold it. Someone said, let's get in. Yeah, bro, let's get in. If you want to get in, you can get in. When I see it, you know. I like the break of structure. I like the continuation if the DXY decides to continue. I have the DXY up on my other monitor, guys. So like I'm monitoring it right here, waiting for that to break highs as this is breaking lows. And all you're gonna hear from me is run it. We're just gonna get in. All you're gonna hear is running. What should be dope is if this 5-minute close is kind of bullish like that, and then we take at the bearish low. I usually like waiting for like a bearish candle to be formed, and then take at the bearish candle low. That's low-key always a thing. All right, guys, let's run it. Let's run the trade. Follow the analysis. It broke structure. We're getting into the trade. We're hoping that it continues down. All the DXY is telling us is that it wants to continue down. So hopefully the DXY continues to bleed, which will send GU down and send us to TP. This is a riskier trade. I honestly have not really taken a trade like this live. So but in my opinion it's fine because our stops are protected. If we did want to take a super like we had a super tight stop loss right above these highs, it could just easily come up wick us and then continue. So having our stop loss above like the highs is what why I like having. So the water's warm. Formation of the right shoulder, perhaps. Yeah. So this is that was my analysis. Is that like this was the form of the right shoulder right here? Wait, who said that? Formation of the right shoulder. Good for you, Quincy. You must have been here before because you know what kind of type of setups I like looking for. Yeah. So like that's my whole anticipation is that we're in this downtrend. We've had this nice like break of this trend line up, and where we head up to into this supply. We already took it out. Formed the right shoulder, so now we're just trying to get in on the top of the right shoulder instead of waiting for the break of the right shoulder to then continue down. Like you guys have seen me take these type of like, you know, setups multiple times before. We're just kind of getting in before it's happening instead of like getting in at the 5-minute low. So I did send it to my group and I did say risky trade because, you know, usually wait for it to form into the supply, form a bearish candle, and then break that bearish candle low. But obviously this one we kind of just got in off the rejection. So like I told you guys, I have the DXY up on my other this lame. But once again, look at this. Ready? This is why my analysis is fire. Look at my screen right now. If this closes in here and this bearish candle ends up coming and breaking this 5-minute low, that's gonna be the same exact entry that we already have. So it's like the same thing we just got in based upon our analysis pre-hand. What's up, NLT gang? What's up, Keenan Klein? Hey, what's good? We got Boogie Down. What's up, Junior Boogie Down? Thanks for being here, bro. Hello, brother. I hope today I have more luck. Greetings. Greetings. You're not that lucky if you're in these cells right now, but so once again, guys, the reasoning behind these cells is to break below this low. The one thing that I had in the back of my mind was we are in this demand right here that I have up to the left, this whole order block that led to this break of structure. I had thought in my mind, you know, I was like, you know what, we had already come and tapped into it here and then like pulled up, and now we're re-tapping in. So I was like, maybe it's just a weak zone. It already got touched, you know, so. But it's obviously respecting it. We're getting kind of drilled. This is why I'm glad I have my stop loss above the highs instead of just right here, because we would have gotten instantly clapped. Nice community. Thanks. Yeah, the community here is fire. The community here is fire. There's no news or anything, right? Oh shit, Euro high. Oh wow. My bad, guys. There's high impact Euro news. It's always something good to know. So high, previous, consensus, actual. Negative usually means negative for the Euro, which should mean sells, hopefully, on EU. If it's negative for the currency, that means sells. Very good learning for all of us in live market. Yeah, exactly. I mean, that's why I do it, is coming here to trade live with you guys, showing you why I'm getting in the trade, break it all down for you. Like, once again, I still do believe in this trade. I'm not saying it's a bad trade, but I am undefeated on the live stream. So taking this trade on the live to jeopardize my life. But I mean, I guess it doesn't matter. Trading's trading. At the end of the day, a loss isn't a loss if you learn something from it. So if I were to learn something from this trade, I should have waited kind of for the bearish candle to get formed into the zone and then take out the bearish candle low like I usually do. But I kind of forced it because I looked over at EU and saw EU had already been dumping while I looked over at the DXY, and the DXY was already breaking above kind of all these highs. So I'm anticipating the DXY to kind of react off of this breakout and continue up, which is going to send these obviously down. So I have analysis behind it. It's not like I'm just getting in blind. But I did break that one rule. But out of this structure, can one of you guys in the chat tell me why I got into the trade on this supply? Tell me. Someone tell me. it kind of has to do with what someone said about the right shoulder. So like, but like, why are we considering that a right shoulder? What occurred in this structure that caused it? Yeah, exactly. New lower low and break a structure. That makes me super happy, guys. That's like literally, I love like, once again, talking to you guys, but then trying to ask you questions back to then, you know that you're paying attention. So everyone who answered that in the chat, Lamberto, Hood Gabbit, XXX Fergus. Sorry, you guys' names are kind of hard to say. I sound like an idiot. But this right here, this break of structure is what validated it. Like I told you guys, we had this uptrend, our highs, higher lows getting created. Our high, and then right here, we tried to get in possibly here, but this wasn't a good break of structure because we needed a possible retest. But then we got the break of structure below this low, validating that this next thing could be the right shoulder to continue down. So that's why we got into the trade. Cantaloupes, Rilo, Alfred, you guys are awesome. Thank you, Roop and Lamberto, and all you guys for knowing that answer and shit. It's awesome. It makes me happy. You win? Yeah, unfortunately. Kidding. If it breaks this low, once again, I won't even care because I would have already been in. There's a retest in the supply. So this is making me happy, guys. What's occurring above this high? This supply that we're now getting a reaction off of. We're taking out that high and forming entry. So if we would have if we break below this low, I probably would have already been in anyways, so early entry didn't matter. Break straight to the downside. Good shit, Jamil. Sorry, I didn't see that thing. Jamil Johnson. Very good answer. You nailed it. Watch this baby fly, yo. Whose chat you in, David? Keep fading. Yeah, this is our only loss we've taken on stream, so the more you fade, the more you're probably gonna lose. Same time we took Asia session low. Oh damn. Hashtag ban. Exactly. I guess we did kind of take the Asia lows. Let me turn my sessions indicator on. Yeah. Because they were up here. No, because they were down here. Oh, so yeah, we did. We just did, literally. I need to start paying attention to that more, because I used to do that all the time and take those trades. It hasn't been playing out as much lately, but this one obviously did. Asia lows, aim for the Asia highs. Super hope. That red color is just dreadful, and all the other colors just don't really look like they even show up, so I don't have it on all the time. We're starting to stall on the 1 minute on the DXY and going bullish, so hopefully we get that little push right here. I'm taking that 5 minute low. I was just about to say, Sal, that low key, you know, that's entry. You know, if we would have waited for a bearish candle low or like some type of stall out in the supply zone, it would have been here. So I'm not, you know, I'm not really too angry, guys. It's all learning lessons. But it just does suck because we had a fire win rate going. You know what I'm saying? But then we're into the giveaway, 50K or 25K giveaway. Oh, 5 J Cole, let's run it. Trust the analysis, bro. I'm in the same. Wait, sorry. I'm in the same. Weekly and daily are bull, but 4 hour and 1 hour is bear. So I'm selling the 5 minute breaker structure for it fails. We know overflow is bullshit. Yeah. Yeah. Good analysis. Rainy alley. Yeah. Thank you guys all for being here. Yeah, make it 50K. Yeah, right. Quizzy still holding. What up, Jen? Thanks for being back. Appreciate you. How was your day? How are you doing today? Where are you from, Luca? I live in San Francisco, California. California kid. Date like a gang? No. Not tonight. Not tonight. Doing great. How are you, Luca? I'm doing good. Doing great, Jen. How was your day? What did you do today? There's they grew up harshly. System fade gen. Prayas, why do you always say that? Why do you always say fad denge? Because you've DM'd me that like multiple times. I don't know what it means. System fad denge. Very difficult time to trade from California. I think it is a bad time to trade from California, but it also is better than the East Coast. The East Coast would be awful to trade London. You know what I'm saying? What time would it be right there? 3:30 right now, you know? Very difficult time to trade from California. Still can't believe you're 6'3". Do I look like that small? It means we will tear the system market. Look at EuroCAD. I don't trade EuroCAD. Sorry. Here's the right shoulder. You know, we got the breaker structure to the downside. The DXY is retesting a little breakout. So analysis is still kind of playing out. Like I said, the only thing I didn't wait for, and I never do it. I literally don't know why I kind of did it. I was feeling kind of cocky. Is just getting on the reaction. You know who does it really well is Doyle. Like Doyle will literally see a little reaction in the zone and start placing it and it'll go. I kind of saw the same type of thing possibly happening on the DXY. So I pulled the trigger, but I would have already been in here. So if, you know, let's say we didn't get in, we would have gone in here anyways. So We would have been in the trade at this point anyways. Oh, sheesh. Nice. Or you can say we will rock it. Wait, you sir. Hey, Salvazin. Let's get it. Passion makes it impossible. 1 minute break of structure, you can throw another 0.25% in there. I don't scale in like that, but it is a really good idea. I only scaled in last night when I did that trade because I was feeling ballsy. Last night was different. Because it was like I was pretty confident in that trade last night. Like we hit TP, you know, we hit a 1 to 7. 1 minute break of structure. You can your idea, gold. I'll look at gold in a second. Let's fucking go. 1 minute change of character. Yeah, finally. Sure. Pray us. What language is that? Yeah, pray us. What language is that? It's Hyundai, bro. Love that. There's the bearish low, which is right next near entry anyway, so still holding strong. I'm only down negative $140 now, negative 180. So I'm not down that much. The last I on Hindi is pronounced as an E. So Hindi. I said Hyundai. My bad. Luke, is it gambling to scale into this? Just feels like a good setup. So I don't think so, just because I feel like the entry we got, I wouldn't say it's gambling, because it definitely wasn't gambling because it was following the rules and the retest of the supply. But as you can see here, like I told you while we were in the trade, that the one thing I would have done differently is waited for a bearish candle close and then an entry at the bearish candle low, which now we got the bearish candle close and now we're at the bearish candle low. So technically, no, you could take it as like a completely separate trade and trust the analysis and go as if that was your other entry, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah. Really feels like a great time to enter again. I mean, that's what we think, and then you're gonna enter and it's gonna go straight back up, you know? It does look great, guys. Like I love, you know, I'm in this trade for a reason, but here I can show you guys too how we're in, just so you guys know that we're in the trade. See, I'm only negative $60, and then you know I can go over to live account. Live account, obviously, I'm up here capping to a lot of you guys. Luke, did you consider liquidity zones in your strategy? Like, where would you put your SL so it doesn't take you out? I put it above the highs, like, you know, like once again, we talked about it. This is actually a really good example. So, a lot of you guys asked me, why did we not put stop loss above this lower high instead of, or why we put it above this high instead of above this lower high? And it's because of kind of what just happened. There was this little liquidity to be taken out on top of this high that you can see. Price literally took out this high, formed its own entry off this supply, and now it's going down. So just I raised my you know, it's one thing I've kind of over the time kind of gotten used to is just not forcing those low stop loss trades. Like just letting it breathe a little bit, you know what I'm saying? If you know the direction, if you know that GU's overall bearish, like just let it breathe a little bit, let it go down. Bro, can you tell me what you see in Euro USD? I don't speak English, but I'll observe. Yes, Victor C. Lopez. Quickly on E, what do I see? What was this to the left again? It was like a 30-minute demand or something. Hourly? 4 hour? There's a 4 hour. What about hourly? No, I don't even know why it's here. The patience here is great. I think that's what psychology means. Yeah, bro. I don't know if you guys have noticed, like most of the trades you've gotten in or anything, but I'm pretty good at just holding and keeping my composure, not getting upset over like a loss or being drawdown. Like, you know, I stay chill. So on Euro USD, I think that we're heading down potentially to these lows down here. That's why, or I mean, yeah, I mean, we're selling. So yeah, I obviously could have a pullback. If it was going to pull back, I would target this 5-minute supply that was created on this big, you know, break a structure down here after this big like little uptrend, break a structure, and now I could pull back up into the supply to melt off. So that's what I'd be looking for on EU. I obviously wouldn't take an entry on it right now, but we're in GU. So some news coming. God damn it, what news do we have? What bullshit is that? Bro, I wish we could just slap bangers on this channel. Can't lie. You guys already know that whenever this ends, we obviously will continue and do the giveaway. Appreciate y'all for being here. Any of you guys use Trade Locker? How is it? Supply tap. Yep. Come on, baby, write it down. Yeah, I know, right? It's been a little hoe. If you're in this trade, put some ones in the chat. I'm curious how many of you guys are in here. We got 50 people watching. You know, we're in drawdown, so if any of you guys aren't in the trade, technically you still can get in. Nah, I know for a fact. We're gonna be like halfway to TP and then people are gonna get in. I swear to God. Two eight 399. Sheesh, you got a fire entry. 399. Oh, so you got in like way earlier. Fire. Patience facts. All right, this is hilarious, guys. Look at this. Look at my screen. After this big reaction from the SMAs on this flip, I would be getting in this trade to break this low, which is the exact same entry that we're already in. So it's like, all it did was we just had to wait through drawdown just because fucking, you know. I'm a piece of shit and I don't know how to trade, obviously. That's my actual entry. 282. Oh wow. My exact entry literally on MT5 is 28250, so if any of you guys are wondering. Go to sleep? Yeah, facts. Like. Chat, I got a new case at Apple. Yes, Mohammed. Trading his patience. Fact, Alfred. Thanks to all you guys who tagged me in your story. Appreciate you guys. Once again, we need to get this to 50 likes. How many likes we at right now? 48 likes. We need 2 more likes and you guys got this. 2 more likes, you guys will for sure get the 25k giveaway. Done. Fire. Appreciate you guys so much. Also, if you haven't, make sure to tag me, James Storms, Fortunes Funding in your Instagram. Tag us, let us know that you enjoy the free content, the free live streams. We do for you guys, you know. Doesn't do much for us, like doesn't, you know. Literally, in addition, free education for all you guys. Already tagged in Twitter. Thank you, bro. Yeah, Threads. If you guys don't follow me on Threads, make sure to go follow me on Threads. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my YouTube. I don't know if you guys saw, but I put out a recent podcast with my boy Aman. It is a great episode. I think a lot of you guys would gain a lot of insight and really enjoy it. So if you guys are looking to go gain insight, watch a good podcast, overall learn some good information, and I recommend you going to watch this. I need to figure out how to make this more clear. It's very dirty. Definitely go over here, guys. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate all you guys who do support me. You know, it means a lot. Oh, baby. I like it when you shine. Bro, fucking. I swear it wants to go down. I swear to God. Oh, baby. Yeah, we're blue. We're definitely blue. Yeah, well, that wasn't even close in that poll. That poll wasn't even close. Oh, 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 oh. I don't know if you guys hear this music, but we going ham over here. I'm gonna be you guys. Two 180, you're gonna break even. 180. Yes, sir. Yeah, that's true. That's actually very true. Salva, I probably would do the same. Daily lows. Not only daily lows, but this would be the third time that this area rejected. So I think, yeah, if we reject that area, I definitely will go break even. Oh, there we go, boys. There we go. Sheesh. Oh my lord. We're eating around here. We're eating around here. Guys. I literally love it. I come and break it down to you guys every single stream. I come here and do the same shit. I want you guys to all flood W's in the chat. W's in the chat if you take this trade. W if you held through this chat. Or held through the trade. Let them know. Yep, undefeated W. Non-stop. Guys, I'm undefeated. I come here and do it. Even with drawdown, whatever. Look at these W's. I come do it every single freaking night for Fortunes Funded. For free. Undefeated on stream, guys. What do you think we come do here? Every single freaking time. So many W's in the chat. I appreciate all you guys for coming through. You guys are so lit. You guys are so lit. You guys are so lit. Thank you. Sorry guys, I get so distracted. There's so many things going on at once. You're live streaming, I swear to God. So I'm like managing a trade. I'm managing you guys. I'm managing the live stream. I'm managing my own trade. I'm sending it to my signals room. Fuck. You guys are all awesome. Great. And guys, can I guess the chat room. Let me know, did I or did I not break down the entire thing to the T, why we were getting in, the reasoning behind getting in, this right shoulder, why we were patient, why we got in early, why we're in profit now, what we should have waited for. Am I wrong? Or like, am I actually here like giving you guys good value and like really out here trying to like help you guys out? I feel like I'm really out here fucking trying. Some good education right there. Yes, good teaching. Yes, I appreciate it. Hey, look at, we're still dumping, guys. I literally love it. So fire. Oh my gosh. No way we hit TP in 2 candles. You can train me on my element. Train me on my element. Is this so educative? Never give up. Thank you, Alfred. I appreciate you. Thank you, bro. Thank you, guys. Cooking. Thank you, Mason. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. If we hit TV, though, we're going to need a lot of W's in the chat, though. Once again, that's all I ask for. I come here. I give you guys free money at the end of the day. I know a lot of you guys might not be trading real accounts, demo accounts, whatever it is. But the ones who are, I'm putting money in your pocket. I mean, I'm up 600 right now. $600. Feels so good. Life's crazy, guys. I'm so blessed. Like, it's actually crazy. Life keeps getting better. Like, I keep outdoing myself, which is weird. Kind of weird to say out loud. But I'd be lying if I said that it wasn't. That's how I truly feel. Giving us knowledge is better than money. Thanks, bro. Yes, and I completely agree. I'm a big believer in that, bro. People come to me for signals or this or that or whatever. I'm like, bro, I'd rather just teach you how to trade. Like, that's the worst part. You know, that's the worst part of it all. Being lonely on the journey. Swear to God. Thank you so much for taking your time to teach us. Any freaking time, Jen. Anything for you. Anything for you, Antonio. Anything for you, Tony Gold. Tony Gold, you're an OG. Love you, brother. Alfred, you show so much love, bro. Prayers to you. Love you. Luke, do the giveaway. My phone is about to die. That's like a you problem, sir. Pips, you aiming for? You waiting for it to reach the zone? I'm waiting for it to break these lows. If we reject here, I'll probably go get out at break even. Because this will be the 3rd time. Like, we kind of, you know, we rejected here again. And if we reject again, it's just like, it's just price kind of telling you like I'm not doing it. What is your TP and what logic do you have? So my TP is here. I always put TP at a 1-to-1 risk to reward. But you guys will see, like, just because I put a TP1, not always where I like take partials at, or not only where I like get out of the trade, I once again have reasoning. So I'm waiting to see if these lows get broken. If they don't get broken and we respect it, then I kind of want to get out break even, because it's just a strong level of support that we failed to break so many times. I just, once again, when I look out the hourly time frame, the structure is just telling me, like, look at this lower high, look at this lower high. We're breaking the hourly lows with like still clean imbalance. We do have 30-minute and 15-minute demands to break through. But when we head over to the DXY, you can just see on the DXY we're flying. Oh yeah, we're flying on the DXY. We should just pump. We should just fucking dump right to TP on GU. If the DXY can keep pumping, then GU should keep going down. You know, so. Where's the TP and Will? Always giving you love and support. Appreciate you. I closed the support and made 1% thanks. Yeah, thank you so much. I'm up on my challenge now. See, I love that. Like, I love coming out here and doing this, putting you guys up on your challenges, making you guys money. I'm learning so much. Thank you. Twiswellelo. I appreciate you and thank you so much for being here. You're the best. What's the TP I set? 211? Oh, I sent a little less of a TP. It's my bad. But what's she gonna do? Just have you. Do you always trade NFP week or only when you see a solid setup? Bro, I just trade. Like, I swear to God, I just trade. I need to get more in tune with my fundamentals and pay attention to that type of stuff. But as you guys can see, I have a strategy. I have like a candle formation I look out for. I have strict confluences for my trades. Like, I just wait for them all to line up. If they all line up on a day that happens to have news, I might still take it. You know, like I might still take it. Not like right when news is hitting, but I don't know. I'm cool with it. Alright guys, peace. Catch you on the next one. Nice being live again with you, Luca. Hey, thank you, Ben. I really do appreciate it. Thank you for coming, bro. I hope you guys have a good night. Guys, I'm gonna be gone soon. 2 more weeks. I'm going back to Europe. I don't know if I mentioned that to any of you guys, but I'm going back to Europe. I know I just got back from Europe, but I'm going back. I'm going back. You can't stop me. Oh, I think I'm going to... Damn, should I spoil it? Might be going to LA this next week too for a little podcast. Who can guess who's in LA that I could be doing the podcast with? You guys don't even believe it if I say it. I don't even know if I should say it, just so I jinx it. What session you currently in? We're in London session. Tori? No, I already have a podcast with Tori coming out. Another really one of the biggest traders in the industry. One of the only ones from LA. And that reaction was freaking lame as fuck. Noir? No, but I actually have a connect for Noir, so I actually do want to get him on the podcast. Psychology on top? Yeah, my psychology's never broken. Like I said, guys, if we just continue up here and don't start rejecting. Here, we're kind of rejecting still, but I mean, it's the 3rd time it's held support here, so. Stop break even, you holding? I'm like right there. I'm up $110 still. I'm just waiting. Like if we start just like breaking these highs again, going in drawdown, might just fucking cut it. Maybe look for a re-entry. But if we're just retesting the supply to continue down and take out these equal lows, like I just once again look at the DXY and really think it's gonna push. I don't know what the frick it's doing. Oh, but damn, look at the hourly on GU. And like, you know, I mean if the hourly flipped, what are the chances that's gonna happen? Up around 110, there's breaking. What was your lot size? My lot size is a 7.3, which is much smaller than I usually do. I'm up 180 right now. My entry is exactly what's on the screen, 250. Oh, this is 246 now. Entry's 250. DJ buys? I don't know. I'll look at it in a second. Bro, this shit's so annoying. I'll probably hold to the 15 minute. The 15 minute, actually, it's about to break 5-minute highs. I was going to say wait till 15-minute highs, but I just don't even want to. I was up like 700, 800 bucks on it, so I don't really want to let it go into drawdown. It's not one of those traders. I hope it stays near break even for the 15-minute. If it closes bullish on the 15 and breaks the 15-minute high, I'm outie. Honestly, if you break this high, it's pretty freaking bullish. I think I'm gonna get out here break even. I'm gonna spell it out. So guys, I'm getting out here break even just due to the fact that we respected support multiple times, as well as if you look over the DXY, when I look at the DXY, we're starting to form that M formation and breaking the lows to potentially continue down. And like I've told you guys, if the DXY is going down, GU will be going up. So, you know, we had this impulse on GU. This is what we were looking for on the DXY. That's what we were looking for. But now that it's kind of, you know, rejecting, we shall see. This is gonna be really annoying if the fifth. Oh my god. If you're still in, don't get out to the 15-minute high. Like I just told you guys, if you're still in the trade, don't get out to the 5-minute high right there. I thought I was about to break it on my broker, so I kind of just pulled it. Oh! Ain't no way, bro. We gotta sell stuff under the lows. And what do you think about that? And buy stocks above the highs? That sounds like gambling, sir. I don't trade like that. You gotta sell stops under the lows and buy stops above the highs. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, yeah, I bet one of them will hit. You know, fuck. I bet you'll find profit in one of them. There's no way. I'm gonna be disgusted. Like actually disgusted. Break the high, break the high. Actually don't, because I know a couple of you guys are for sure still in it, but if I got out right there, break even, and then it dumps to TP, I'll be a little upset. And it is if it dumps all night. If it follows my analysis, I think it's gonna do. Fucking, I'll be pissed. Bro, no way. She just going. She just going. How you doing though, chat? You guys freaking. Let me end that poll. That was kind of mean. Oh my god, disgusted. Absolutely disgusting. Treacherous and disgusting. Ugh. I'm allergic to break evens. Damn it. Jen said, bless you. Oh my god, that's the cutest thing ever. Thank you so much. See, no one else says bless you. No one else is checking up on me. I'm only here for the trades. Right, chat? I'm gonna cover the whole screen with my face, so you guys have to just look at me the whole time to the trade. Oh, I guess you guys can still see the trade because it doesn't do anything. Exactly, sir. Just trade. Haha, right? Yeah, exactly. You guys don't even like me. You guys don't even like me. Don't even like me. Gold sells. I don't know. I don't think so. GJ. Someone said GJ buys. I see GJ sells. EU. EU sells, obviously. AUD, USD. I don't even know. I would probably buy. It's so oversold. Roche isn't a hit TP, and I'm gonna be heated. Oh my god. Dude, it's literally gonna do it, I swear. Here guys, look at the DXY. She looks like it's about to fly. Whoever's still in this trade, you're goated. Can't believe it fucking hit me break even. Can you break down this trade again? Yeah. So the reason behind this trade, if you go to the 1 hour, we can see that overall structure is bearish. We kind of topped out, consolidated here, and then continued this trend down. All we did on the way down was make lower highs and lower highs. We'd here had a fake buy, rejected the ASMA, closed below in this trend. And at the hourly lows, and we just dropped down time frames, you saw, honestly, you can see it the best on the 5 minute. But a lot of people here know that I like my certain formations, and we saw price come up into this supply. There's a 5 minute supply that led to this big break of structure, and we came up and had a clear wick right up into the supply, and then immediately dropped. So at that point, we were waiting for a break of structure. We got the break of structure right here. Once this body came and broke this structure, we waited for the retrace up into the supply and then took it at this low over here. And then, yeah. Also based on the DXY clearly is bullish. It came, kind of formed that W, and then we're anticipating the break above to continue up, which is going to send GU down, which is obviously happening right now. Keep winning, Luke. Thank you, Theo. Amal, thank you for being here. I appreciate it. I've seen your name before. I appreciate you being back. Awesome trade. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate it. We're going to do the giveaway in a second, guys. Go. Thanks, bro. Thank you, Root. Thank you, Jay-Z Pips. You guys are awesome. G was home because of the weakness of EG. Are they they're correlated, right? Yeah. Yeah, Euro GBP, yeah. All right, guys, we can do the giveaway. You guys ready for the giveaway? Who in the chat wants the giveaway? You guys spend some ones. Tell me if you're ready for the giveaway. Yeah, I've been consistently watching your live stream. Thank you, Theo. That means a lot. Appreciate you. You guys are crazy. All right, so how do we want to do the giveaway? I'm debating if I want to do. I'll put a poll actually. Giveaway. Should we do comment generator? Scroll and pick. You guys pick. We're gonna pick this for a little bit. Best difference. Let's stay with proof. All right. We'll give the poll a couple minutes, then we'll pick. Make sure you guys like the stream too. Post me on Instagram, tag me, like, comment. How does the comment generator work? So I would just drop a link to my YouTube video or whatever, and everyone goes in comments, and then I would put that YouTube link into a generator, and it would randomly just go through all the comments and pick a random person. So we could either do that, or I would just pull up the chat onto the screen and have all you guys just spam a bunch of stuff, and I would just scroll and pick one of you guys. So excited. Yeah, let me know if you're excited. David P, you're not winning, bro. You took GU buys when we when we get profit. You get L's in the chat. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. All I gotta say is fade my signals, guys. Fade them. I dare you. All the trades I call, go the opposite. See what happens. How many of you guys are here? 49? Fire. Damn, comment generator got the 71% now, bro. It used to be losing. What the fuck happened? You guys want the comment generator? We can do it. It's honestly easier for me. Comment generators look easier for me, so I don't mind at all. I think we're gonna hit TP in a second, guys. After this 30-minute open we just got, if we break the 30-minute lows, GG's TP. People want more luck. Yeah. If you think the comment generator is more luck, yeah. We want the truth. I don't know how you guys think these are like fake giveaways. Like I literally, every winner you can ask. Every winner you can go and ask. It's a different winner every single time. Every night. There are the 30-minute lows. We're gonna get it going. Everyone's putting one still. Oh my god, guys. Look at GU. I need you guys all to take a screenshot of this. Tag me on your Instagram. For just the consistent dubs. You know what I'm saying? Oh wow. The DXY is breaking out like we anticipated. Wow. Go over the DXY. Oh. That makes me upset. All right, I'm gonna drop the link to the to the thing. All right, so I just pinned that message, guys. So comment generator ram won by a lot. I honestly just want to hit TP. Then we'll get right into it. It's already 60 comments on here. Yeah, but the person who wins has to be here on the live stream. Like if someone wins who's not there, not here, then they're not gonna be the winner. We're only gonna pick someone who's here on the chat. If the person isn't here to claim it, then it's not up to me, bro. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. So you guys can start now, but that link I just pinned in the comments, if you guys will leave a comment on there, we're gonna do a comment generator where I pull it up onto the screen, show you guys, and we do the winner that way. Exit the live. You guys can exit it's good. It's fine. Exit the live, go there, leave a comment. You guys will be one of the winners. And say something good, you know, don't just say giveaway or whatever. Say like great podcast, love the insight, you're hot. I'm kidding. It's whatever. Whatever you guys want. Done, boss. Thank you so much. All right, I can start getting the giveaway ready. I can go over here. Okay, cool. Love you, bro. You're a big bull. Is that my nickname, guys? Big bull? I'm dead. That was fucking funny. I'm big bull. I can rock with it, bro. Let's go. Incoming TP right now, bro. Piss me off. I actually do want to come down, no lie. Manage you, sir. Good job, Salva. Way to understand the market structure. See it rejecting. Get out of it. No limit. Yes, sir. No limits to anything. A lot of people ask me, why no limit? Because there's no limits to anything you can do in trading. There's no cap. There's nothing holding you back. It's you against you. Like, it's infinite money you can make, like, truthfully. If you think about it. You know what I'm saying? You take partials at 101 or close full? I closed full. I'm not in anymore. Life is limitless, facts. Bro, guys, I just ordered some new fucking, some drip. Can't even lie. It's like I said, I'm going to Spain. Spain in 2 weeks and then Croatia. Would you guys say, I want everyone in the chat, would you guys say that you learn something whenever you come to my live streams? Yep, yes, of course. Always sauce in the lives. Thank you guys. Appreciate it. If people don't learn anything, what's the point of coming? Facts, I know, right? So many people here just like sit and wait for the trade. They don't even try to learn anything. Guys, I'm telling you, you can't just be a signals bot. Like, you have to like I try and tell everyone in my VIP group, like, if you're there just for the signals, like, you gotta like be able to understand why we're getting in, why we're holding, why this, like, you know? Streams totally changed my game. Yes, sir, Salva. Guys, Salva, before he was in my VIP, like, you know, was on all everyone's streams. Whatever. I don't want to say you were unprofitable, but bro, like, you're killing it now. Like, you're fucking absolutely slaughtering. Nah, I think we got some animals here for the skill set. Yeah, I hope so. I hope we got a lot of people here that are all willing to. They're here trying to get better. You know what I'm saying? Please do daily stream. Well, guys, if you guys go over to my, like, I don't know if I should, whatever. You go over to my channel, I live stream on here too. Like, I do live streams on here too. If you go over here, we did a live stream the other night, and I hit TP. Look at this. Or where was it? I forget where it was on. Maybe we didn't take one. Not on that one, but there's one every single time. I do giveaways there too. I also do give free trades, so if you guys want to catch me over there too, you can for sure catch me over there. But alright guys, make sure you guys go comment on the pinned YouTube link in the chat room, because that's where we're gonna do the giveaway winner from. 25K. 20 you beasts in the chat. The DXY is still going. I want to get a little push on the DX on G. See if we can hit TP, and then we'll do the giveaway and call it a night. Oh, it's about that. Bro, how I can't come on the pin video? Why? You have to go sign in or something? Just go type in Luca No Limit on YouTube and comment on my last video. My last podcast. It's just literally the last one with him on. When I click on it, it shows up. Google server issues. I mean, I don't know. So guys, once again, go to YouTube. Go over to my channel. You guys will see right here, the podcast dropped 4 days ago. Go to the comments, and then one of these comments is going to be the winner. It's Destiny, you can't participate, sorry. Haha. Salvo, you're on a roll tonight, you're funny. Alright guys, you guys have like 1 more minute, and we're gonna do the giveaway. I'll paste the video one more time. Does that look like me, guys? That look like me? Do we look like? I'm getting rid of that music. Hey, Sarara. Oops. Yes. Zoom chat, Mohammed and F. If you guys want to go to that link in the chat room, that's where I'm doing the giveaway. On live right now. Always a savage. I tried buying the New York. What the heck? Well, I mean, even if I didn't get the chance to win the 25K, I've took some knowledge with me. Always a pleasure, Luca. Appreciate you, sir. You're the goat. But once again, if you just go to YouTube and type in my YouTube name and go to my last video and comment, it's the same thing. All right, guys. Number of winners. All right, it's all ready. We're gonna do it in a second. That's super weird. Roses be tripping. I'm super sorry. But the pull one to do it this way. So should we do it? Is everyone ready? I need to put some ones in the chat. I mean, let's get you excited. Ones in the chat. Make sure you guys like the stream. 25K giveaway. Let's go. I know it was a long trade. I know it's a bunch of bullshit, but hey, we're good now. Go. Get it going. Da na 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 na. Make sure you guys for the giveaway, take a screenshot of this, tag me on Instagram, tag Fortunes Funding, tags James, tag the whole team. We appreciate all you guys' support. You guys are all awesome. Your guys' support doesn't go unrecognized, and I see the similar faces here all the time. Jen, Preyas, Rilo, Quezzy, who else? Phoenix, El Smoke, Alfred, Antone, Hood Gabbett. You guys are all, you keep showing up. Roop. You guys show up, and not only do you show up, but you stay engaged. Like, it's not the most fun to come on live streams and just sit here when no one's talking to you, but you guys leave good comments and show me support and ask me questions about the trades and all that good stuff. So I do appreciate that. You guys are all awesome. With that being said, let's get right into the giveaway, guys. Like I said, if you go over to the YouTube video that I shared in the description, how many people that you giveaway challenge actually pass it? I don't know, bro. I posted the link in here. I go to number of winners, solve sum, which is 9. Get YouTube comments. When I click this, we appreciate your, I thank you so much, Phoenix Plays. We always appreciate your time, Luca. Thanks. Yes. I don't mind taking my time out to come live trade with you guys, give you guys gems that I can. And this is the one thing that's funny is that, like, I'll even get haters in the live stream chat room. Not that much. You guys are all awesome. I actually haven't really gone a lot here. But, like, how much balls it takes to come and, like, live trade in front of, like, 50 to 100 people? Like, you gotta be confident in your strategy and confident in your knowledge. Like, I'm confident. I know my strategy. I know my knowledge. I know what I have to offer. Like, if you don't have that, you shouldn't, I'd come on here and get fucking roasted. Like, could you imagine if I was, like, a bad trader on here just fucking taking L's, like, left and right? Like, shit would suck. I'm not gonna lie. So I appreciate you guys showing up. I hope you guys take my, take what I have to say and all my examples as, real confluences and real actual, tips that you guys take out of here. First time coming here live, and sir, you do not disappoint. We'll be coming to your VIP signals chat. Awesome, yeah, to come join my VIP. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, it's in the description. You guys can follow me on Instagram. It's not even about the VIP or whatever, but just keep up with my life. You know, I'm gonna go traveling soon. Hello, even Lucas haters. Jeez, I guess people just suck. I know, right? Like, I'm a nice guy, bro. I do so much shit for free, for fun. I still get hate. All right, I'm gonna quit rambling. I just, you know, I keep talking to give you guys more chance to go and comment on the live stream. So I appreciate you all. You guys are all awesome. Let's do the giveaway right now. Get YouTube comments. When I press start, we're doing it. Can we get a drum roll, please? And the winner of the 25K giveaway is... The winner is... Victor C. Lopez. Victor C. Lopez, you're the best, bro. I know earlier you were in the chat. I saw your name here. I know you're still here in the chat. So congratulations. You won the 25K giveaway. DM me on Instagram. DM me a picture of your YouTube. And DM me your email and sign up for a link with Fortunes. You guys are all amazing. Once again, if you guys keep coming back, commenting, showing love, you guys will be the winner. There's a giveaway every single stream. So I appreciate you guys for being here. You guys are so awesome. Victor C. Lopez. DM me on Instagram. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, go and follow. How do you feel about, would you ever have a live account dedicated? Yeah, I actually do have live connected to a couple bots. I have like 4 bots, guys. If any of you guys want bots or anything, you can DM me too. Congratulations, No Limit, bro. Told you, bro, today was my day. I really appreciate it. Victor, congratulations, sir. Hope a lot of you guys, you know, come back, win the giveaway next time. Congratulations. This is what I love too, is that like when someone wins, everyone's here saying congratulations. Oh, fuck, you give me the account, like da-da-da. Everyone say congratulations. Hope you know, sending him good thoughts, because that's what it's all about. So thank you guys for being so supportive. You guys are all the best. I appreciate you. Instagram the best place to reach you? Yeah. DM me on Instagram. You guys can also DM me on Telegram. Just both of them are flooded. Ah, fuck. Which one is better? If you have my Telegram, I might be able to see it if your name's on the top, but my Instagram DMs are just like, there's some people, I don't even know. I don't want to talk about it. I'm not talking about it. But yeah, just DM me on Instagram, because I remember your name. Roses Be Tripping. What's your name on Instagram? Just tell me right now so I can look out for it. Thank you for the knowledge. Good night, No Limit. Thank you, Juarez. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you, Luca. Thank you guys for saying thank you before you leave. It is so nice of you. Coney Della, you guys are so awesome. Nelly.tripping. Yeah, just DM me. Thank you so much. Yeah, Jen, anything you need, you can DM me. DM me on Instagram. I don't know if you follow me on Instagram, Jen. I'll follow you back. Just DM me after this Zoom call. Where are you from? Are you from the US? Are you from somewhere else? Where are you from? Thank you, brother. Thank you. Thank you guys for saying thank you. Appreciate this session. Yeah, I hope it was a good session. Spit gems to you guys. Broke it all down. We'll send a DM friend. Thank you for the live and for the future interactions. Yes, I follow you. Guam. That's so awesome. Guam is cool. DM me and I'll follow you back, or just like my story. Something I'll look out for it. I'm just really bad about being on Instagram, guys. I'm not even gonna lie. But oh, I went and got a new I got a new case today. How do you guys like this new case from Apple? New Apple case with like the camera protector and like the charge. This is like a whole charging thing, and this whole thing is like, it's like the texture is crazy. It's like a little like disc. It feels fucking crazy. But I'm gonna just keep rambling if you keep sitting here. I don't like leaving you guys. You guys are all awesome. Why would I ever want to leave? You know what I'm saying? But I will check my Instagram DMs. I hope you guys DM me. Jen, Roses Be Trippin', and then the winner, Victor, or whatever your name was. I hope you guys, and any of you guys, if any of you guys want to DM me, I love staying in touch with you guys. I love just having conversations, because, you know, I feel like we're all like-minded. We all have the same goals. We all, whatever. Like I'm down to be friends. Like, you know, I'm not special than you guys. You know, down to be friends and become acquaintances. Your network is your net worth. So appreciate you all. We're all friends. We're all family. You guys are all my family, and I appreciate you so much. I will catch you guys. Thank you for session. Real education. Yes, real education, guys. I'm really here doing it. I'm really here breaking down every move, everything I can, give you guys all the sauce. Any questions you guys have, even if I'm not on live stream, you guys can DM me. And then, like I said, I do live streams on my other YouTube as well. So if you guys want to catch me there, then you guys can go and catch me on that live stream as well. Oh, another question in the chat before we go is, guys, I have my vlog I made from when I went to Europe like a couple weeks ago, like 3 weeks ago. I went to Europe for like a month, and I have vlog stuff. Would you guys want me to drop a vlog, or do you guys rather me just not and just drop podcasts? Last question, then I'm getting out of there. Getting out of here. Would you guys want to see the vlog? Would you guys watch it? Because I don't want to watch it and just get like no track. It's pretty cool. I went to Paris. I went to Belgium, Bruges, Brussels. I went to Nice. I went to Monaco, Paris again. Only one person said yes, so I guess fucking no. I guess no one wants my phone. God damn it. I'd love to see what you do away from the charts with your free time. I like to travel, bro. That's why I'm going back to Europe in 2 weeks. On the 13th, guys, I'm already going back to Spain. And then on the 18th, I'll be in Croatia. When you have this skill set, guys, like, guys, do I not come and look at the charts every single time and look for similar setups? Like, I can do it from wherever. Work remotely. I love watching vlogs. Well, you didn't say for me to do it, Jen. Oh, what the fuck? You didn't even say, oh, I don't want to watch your vlog. You just say, I love vlogs. I guess no one wants to watch my vlog. That's why I was hesitant. I feel like if I drop it and it gets no traction, I'll just be sad and not want to drop anymore. I'm kidding. It's all good. No hate. You guys are all awesome. All right, I'm just gonna end it there. You guys are all great. Luke, you're such a character. I love it. I just be me, bro. I'm so blessed all the time. I get to travel for work, do podcasts. I get to come live stream with you guys. I trade for a living. I have no boss. I get to be a boss myself. And I get to help countless people, which is something I always told myself as a kid. Like, whatever you do as a job, I want to just like help people. So like me doing these live streams and podcasts and stuff in my way is me helping a little bit. You know what I'm saying? So appreciate you guys. And I actually do like coming here and helping you guys out whenever I can. So I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you guys once again so much for being here. And hope you learned something. If you need anything, I'm always one DM away. So I love you guys. See you soon. Peace. See you later. All right.